What is swell? It's your girl Elia Dig. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Check out the merch. Elle's Corner. You dig? Yes. So, as you read by the title, I'm doing a Power Rangers birthday party. I'm doing a couple different items for that. Some juices, some chips, and cookie packs. This is the first time I did cookie packs. I did them as if like I was doing a candy bar or something. I got a couple made up right here. So this is like Chips Ahoy cookies. Got like the red on this side, the blue on this side. This is like aluminum foil square pieces. And this is obviously just the wrap that I made. Power Rangers. And then this is a longer pack. This is like Nutter Butter or Oreos or something. But you can see the foil clearly on this. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I think it turned out pretty good. I was just experimenting. I like it. Hopefully the person that this is for likes it as well. Here's chip bags. This is like my favorite that I did because I incorporated the child's picture on here. And then he's turning 3, the 3. Got this. Obviously my business logo. And yes, and then I also like the juices, how I did them this time. I usually put the label on the back, but this time I took the straw off and stuck it on the back, and then I hole punched where the straw goes on the front of the juice. So there's that. I'll go ahead and add some time lapse of me making the different items so you guys can see it. If you like to make it, follow along, whatever. Yes, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. I appreciate the support that I've been getting. You know, I gained like almost 100 subscribers within the last month or so. Like it. Keep it coming. Appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos. Go ahead and continue watching this video. You dig? Peace.
It's forfeit time.
What's up, you guys? I'm checking in live at Nights Action Park. We got the party being set up. You dig?
Cause who can't party don't be lit? What?
Yeah.
Can you help me? Hold these bags open.
I'll be back, guys. Gotta help her.